we gonna greet. Hi guys! Welcome to my mommy's vlog! Okay guys, and this is my shadow boy. Say your name. Shadow! You don't like to join to the game. Like, stay Shadow. Stay. Hi guys! At ngayon na nga ay maglalagay tayo ng makeup. Dumi. Hindi pa ako. Hello people of the Philippines. At ito na nga, nagbabalik si... I forgot what is my intro. I'm sorry to my messy background. That's my water, the lotion. I'm trying to use everything. So, today's vlog, ewan kung gumagana ang aking mic, but I tried. Ayoko na mag-edit ng marami. So, today's video, ako ay mag-makeup. Okay guys, I'm not professional but I'm gonna try my best to put some makeup. Just my natural look. So, first, ilalagay natin ang headband. Ang cute kong headband. Huwag kasi hindi ako makakita. Wala akong, ano ba to? Wala akong eyeglasses. So, just natin ng konti. Ewan ko lang kung magiging perfect ito, but I'm gonna try my best to put some. Okay, sorry to my face because lately I'm super like stressed for something. Some problem like medical condition or whatever. But I'm gonna consider just, you know, a trial or challenge. So, I always put some petroleum jelly to my, or healing jelly to my lips. Ang mga viewers ko naman is mga taga Philippines. That's why I don't need to speak a lot of English, I know. But I'm gonna try my best to speak English. So, some people can watch my vlog. Anyways, ang dumi-dumi ko tignan. You know what? Gonna remove like, I don't know if naririnig ako, but I hope so. So, ito na nga, ang aking gamit. Hindi ako magaling mag-makeup. I'm not professional. Just someone teach me how to use those makeup. But, you know, I'm just trying my best to myself to make myself like free. I don't want to say pretty. I've changed my mind. Like, look nice. Anyways, okay. First, I'm gonna use some... What is this? Primer? For real, I don't know. Ayan. Some primer. So, I have a lot of sponge over there, but I just usually get one and then I just put a little bit. Ay, sumali ng pusa ako sa aking vlog. So, ano to? Para to sa ma-moisturize yung face. Ewan ko rin for real. Sinabi lang din. Okay. Ayoko mag-cut ng marami. Kasi, so later I'm gonna wear some contact lens to, you know, because I'm gonna put some makeup. I just decide to make vlog since I'm on leave because of some medical condition. Like, it's not worse, but you know, I can't work right now. I just want to be like open to everyone, like what's going on. And then I know guys, you don't care. Okay. Ba't yung mukha lang putik yung mukha ko? Yung mukha lang putik. Oh my gosh! Chippy, you wanna join to mommy? Okay, I'm gonna show you my other cat here. Chippy girl, come here. See? Chippy! Say hi! Say hi to them! Oh my god, sorry. She came from somewhere. It's super dirty. Yeah, and she's Chippy. I have a two cat named Chippy and Shadow. This is from my Okay, from my dad and stepmom. Those cat is real my brother's cat, but oh my gosh, Chippy, you're so dirty. Come here, Shadow. Come here. Okay. Oh my god. My Chippy girl wanna join with mommy. Say yeah. Yeah. Introduce yourself. See? Okay, whatever. Come here, Shadow. Say hi to them. Come here, baby. Ah, my god. Medyo mahiyain kasi to sa camera, si Shadow. Say hi! Yeah. Yan yung mga pusa kong makukulit at spoiled. Anyways, yeah, those cat is from my dad or stepmom. But, ang totoong owner ng cat na yun is my brother. And then, what? Why I put this again? And then, yeah. Okay, so put this. Next, gagawin natin. Guys, kung may kalimutan akong ilagay, let me know. Kasi, hindi naman ako magaling mag-makeup. Makeup-makeupan lang. Next is this. Where is it? Yan. Okay. Okay, anyways. Kung pwesto na kasi ito, pwesto ito ng mga pusa. I mean, hiyaan namin to pero yan sila natutulog with me. And then, now, anyways, ano ba sinasabi ko? Nakalimutan ko yung sinasabi ko. Oh, about me. Okay, I'm thinking lately to um make some vlog, like a different vlog or whatever, that I don't need to go somewhere since ano to ay gumana. Alam hindi ko siya lagi ginagamit. Oo, yan. Gumana siya ngayon. Yeah. But I have a lot of videos to my phones, like old video. Yeah, for real, it's super old, but I never edit yet for some reason. Um, tama ba? Yeah. Okay, anyways, guys, this makeup or this, what you call this? Anong tawag dito? Like, cream. Hindi siya match sa akin, yung color. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero binili ko siya, kumuha pa ako ng magtuturo sa akin para lang mag-match yung makeup sa akin. Pero wala rin pala. Ewan ko ba't parang taong lupa ako ngayon. Oh my God. Yeah, it's... La, 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 la. Yeah, anyways, ano pa sinasabi ko? Yes. Yung makeup, hindi siya match sa akin kung totoosin lang. Kung nagkukumpisa ako magtatagalog ako mag-English. Hindi siya match sa kulay ko. Kasi ewan ko dun sa nagbigay sa akin, bakit hindi siya match. Pero fairness, naging mukha siyang okay. Kasi tingin ko before, I'm too dark. But since I use some soap, a Dove soap, kaya nagmumukha akong tao. Tapos tingnan niyo naman yung yung eyeshadow, eyebrow ko. Yung eyebrow ko, di ba? Oh, taray. Okay, lalagay pa tayong konti. For real, I try to watch some vlog putting makeup, but I just get stressed. That's why I stop already. Sabi ka, ayoko na. Kung ano lang yung kaya ko, yung natural look. Yung pakiram sa akin, yung mga pusa ko. Guys, hindi ako makapag-thread ng eyebrow ko kasi mahal-mahal ng pag-thread dito. $15. Tapos plus tip pa, $10 tip. So, 25. So, it's okay. Mukha naman akong cute. Okay. So, guys, itong makeup ko ngayon ay natural look. Oh my gosh, kalimutan ko pala magsabon sa mukha ko, kaya ganito ko na ng mukha ko. Anyways, gumagawa ko ng bago kong intro, I wanna do some new intro new life. I want to start my life again for something else. Like, I don't know what is it, but gets nyo na yun. So, kapag ginagawa ko, wala, naka 9 minutes na ako, tapos hindi ko pa alam ginagawa ko. Okay. So, yun na. Okay. Get ba? Wala naman bago. Loko lang ako. So, next ay ang, ano to? Contour. Kasi kinakabahan ako, baka maging dark-dark na naman yung mukha ko. Kasi hindi talaga match sa akin yung mga kulay na pinagkukuha. So, pasensya na kayo sa madumi kong makeup. Wala akong magawa. Tama ba? Sabi nila wag daw akong maglagay ng masyadong marami kasi nag-dark siya ng more. Yan, para lumiit yung neck ko dito. Ewan ko may bilbil na ako, guys. Lagyan natin dito. Hindi ko alam kung tama. Oh my gosh. Ah, mali. Okay. Ayoko na dyan. Hindi ako magpa-perfect. Kunyaring nose line. Nakakot. Ang funny. Mga pinagagawa ko. So, meron akong nag-iisang brush here. Brush. So, kain mo. Ganyan. Ito nga palang makeup ko ngayon is just natural look. Ewan ko kung ma-achieve ko. Kasi meron akong picture. I mean, may nag-makeup sa akin ng birthday ko before. And then, I'm trying to do that. But, I don't know. Kung kaya ko. Ala, ang dami kong nilagay. Oh my gosh, ang dami kong nilagay. Ano ba naman to? Hala, ang dami kong nilagay. Sorry guys. Ang funny lang. Okay. I think I need to put some powder again. Anong tawag dito? Na-mess up yung ano ko dahil lang sa kuntur-kunturan na yan. Oh my God. Kailangan mo siyang i-side to side bago ka maglagay. Okay. Ay, nag-mess up pa yung mukha ko. Ano ba naman tong kuntur-kunturan na to? Hindi ako oh my God. Ang dami ko makeup pero hindi naman ako expert, right? Okay. Gonna put some here. Some here. Some here. Here. Some here. Oh my gosh, I'm look funny. Hala! Ano ba pinagagawa ko? Ano ba to?